Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth video of this native SEO course. SEO is all about influencing search engine to show your website high up on search engine results page, better known as SERP. Search results refer to a list of content curated by the search engines based on a user's search query. There's a lot that goes into creating this list. Before we dive in getting your website to show up on top of search results, it is important to understand what search results look like. There are multiple search engines available and there's a lot of distinct differences between those search engines. But there's also some common characteristics that the search engine's results page or SERP may have. We're going to look at Google for this example as it is currently the most popular search engine right now. One thing that we'll probably find in almost all search engines are paid listings. Paid listings are very different from the traditional organic listings or natural listings that we're going to focus in this course. These paid listings are actually advertisements. Businesses or people pay search engines like Google or Bing to show their product or website on top of search results for certain search query. Anyone can use Google's AdWords or Microsoft's Bing ads to bid on their preferred keywords and place these ads in search results page. A typical search engine result page will have 10 organic results that link out to different web pages. Each results might look a bit different, but they will all have a headline, a description, and an URL. It is important to know what these components look like because later in this course, we will be modifying and optimizing these particular elements that will appear on search results. One important thing that I should mention is that the internet has changed a lot in the last decade. And there is a lot of content that's beyond text, images, and web pages. Search engines have done a good job to make the search process a lot easier and more efficient. Apart from web pages, search engines return content like videos, maps, images, news, and also products. Search results now have all kinds of different content. A common way of describing it would be, we now have blended search results with all kinds of content. Search engines, especially Google, did a great job understanding user intent. The moment you start typing your search query, Google figures out what you actually want. And those search results appear depending on your need. Sometimes, search results will have a group of video clips that match your search query. Or it might show you local businesses near you, accompanied by a map. It also could be a group of images or products with prices that you can buy. Social signals allow search engines to return a more personalized result, like a news article that your friend have shared or have already read. These results might show up in a variety of different ways based on what the search engine thinks is relevant and appropriate to the user search query. This is why you might see videos and articles in your feed that your friends are likely to see or have already seen. In some search results, a visual carousel of results may appear. And in other search results, you might see enhanced results like Google's rich snippet and knowledge graph. These results are generated from a variety of sources like Wikipedia, NASDAQ, and sometimes even the CIA World Factbook. These results help users find instant answer to their search query. The purpose of knowledge graph is to enhance search engines' results with verified information from a variety of sources. The important thing to remember is that you have a lot of opportunity to have your content show up in the search engine results page. And the more you understand how search engine decides to show search results to users, the more you will understand how you can make your content show up on top of search results above the rest. If you find this video useful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next video.